Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this summery makeup look. I wanted to do something with as less products as I could because I wanted it to be a summery look for your vacation, so you don't need to travel with a lot of makeup. And this is what I came up with. So if you want to know how I created it, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. First I'm starting with my face and I'll use this Catrice Prime and Fine Beautifying Primer. And I'll just apply it and massage it into my skin with my fingers. Next I'll prep my lips. I always forget it, but I really like this step. And this is from Makeup Factory. It's Makeup Factory's Lip Up Supreme Repair Balm. It's really great, and I'll leave a link to the video where I tested many Makeup Factory's products. And it has a slightly plumping effect and I really like this. Today I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's in the shade 20. And I'll apply just a bit of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, just to lighten this a bit. And I will blend it with Real Techniques Complexion Sponge. Now I'll set all of this concealer and the rest of my face with this Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. Now I'm going on my highlighter and today I'll mix two of them. First will be this Master Chrome from Maybelline and the second one will be this Mary Lou from the Balm. And I think I'll just do first one and then second. Contouring with this BH Bronze Paradise palette. I'll bring just a bit of this shade into my crease. Now I'm gonna do a bit of my bronzer and I'm using this NYX matte bronzer. And I'll apply it with this big brush because it's summer and I want it everywhere. I'll add a bit of blush and I'm using this Wet n Wild in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I'll take a bit of this Master Chrome highlighter and just with my finger I'll apply it on my lid. I'm gonna do a bit of a eyeliner and today I'm using this Essence liquid ink. Now you can do a mascara. I won't do mascara today because I don't want to take off mascara. So I'll just do my lashes. And I'm using this Azeredo one. You can use my code Dora10 to get the discount, of course. So guys, my eyes are done and now I'm just left with doing my lips. And I decided to do like fiery orange lip because I don't know, it's summer and it's warm and fiery. I don't know, I really like orange lipstick, so. And I'm using this lip liner from the Bell Cosmetics in the shade 04, I think that's shade. And to fill in the lips, I'm using this Super Stay from Maybelline in the shade 25 Heroin. And that's it. This lipstick looks a lot lighter in camera, I don't know why, but it's not that light, it's like fiery orange shade. I'll leave pictures on my Instagram so you can see it. And guys, if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!